Hello everyone. So we've made it to the Great Smoky Mountains. I gave you a little rundown of the campsite we stayed at, and you saw the boys help me get a fire going. And it wasn't just for fun, we did cook up a big feast there. Cheeseburgers, brats, hot dogs, and we did s'mores a little later on.
Dad, can you get this? That's in my hand.
Check out that big s'more. Nicely done.
We did a few days of hiking in Great Smoky Mountain. There's tons there to see. Here you see a tram that leaves from Gatlinburg up to a scenic outlook in Great Smoky Mountains. We did a few different hikes in the area. The first one we did was one that Tacoma could come with us on. This trail wasn't anything spectacular. It basically ran parallel with the road up to the first visitor center, but it did walk past a nice river. However, we did have a cool wildlife sighting.
What do we got? Maybe some wildlife up there? Big stoppage by the police. This place has a bunch of black bears, so imagine if people are stopping for the black bears. Oh yeah. There's a little black bear up there.
The one day I leave my zoom lens for my DSLR at home. This is as close a shot I could get to him. I said little, but it actually was an adult black bear, just a little far away. These bears are little compared to something like a grizzly, but still nothing to be trifled with. So that was our hike for the first day. The second day we did a hike that we could not bring a dog on, and that was up to the Laurel Falls. This one was deeper into the park, much more scenic, and a longer hike up into the mountains to get to the falls. While the trail was always plenty wide enough, it did have some areas with some very steep drop-offs, made for a little bit of a harrowing walk right up to the falls. But once you were there, there were some comfortable spots to hang out. There was a concrete bridge to cross to the other side of the falls, and there was a local that let us know that that was not there 30 years ago, and you used to have to cross the falls by foot, with a cascade of water above and below you. And then if you walk a little further down the path, you're able to get a better view of the entirety of the falls. So those two hikes and the campfires absorbed our first 2 days, but the best and worst is yet to come.
We did it. Okay, let's get out of here. This is miserable. Let's go.